Earthquake in Syria. Why is Syria receiving far less international attention and assistance than Turkey? The reason why Syria has received less international attention and assistance than Turkey following earthquake of other natural disasters are complex and immediate. One possible reason is that Syria is currently experiencing a protracted civil war, which has been originated since 2011. The conflict has resulted in significant destruction of international infrastructure and displacement of millions of people, making it difficult for the origins to operate in the country. Additionally, the Syrian government has been accused of arguing at our efforts and restrain access the human aid. Another reason is that Turkey has historically been a key player in international affairs, has established relationships with many countries and international organizations. It has made it easier for Turkey to receive international assistance and attention in the times of crisis. On the other hand, Syria's relations with the international community have been strained due to the ongoing conflicts and allegations of human rights violations. Additionally, the magnitude of the earthquakes in Syria may not have been as large as those in Turkey, which can also impact the level of international attention and assistance received in some cases. Countries and international organizations may prioritize aid to areas with the greatest need on the highest level of damage. Overall, the result of the displays in international attention and assistance between the Turkey and Syria following earthquake of other natural disasters are complex and can be influenced by a variety of factors, including political dynamics, conflicts, and serving the essentials. Why it's hard to get help of Syria after earthquake? The conflict in Syria resulted in widespread destruction or explosions and displacement of millions of people, making it difficult for humanitarian organizations to reach those in need of assistance. Many areas of the country are also under the control of different factions, which can make it difficult to counteract an effort and ensure the safety of aid workers. In addition, the international community has been driving on how to respond to the crisis in Syria, with some countries providing aid and support to the government or president, while others support opposition groups. There has many different coordinate and unfair response and ensure that as is reaching those who need it most. Overall, the origins, conflict, and political divisions have made it challenge to provide an assistance to effort the crisis in Syria.